The big money will start coming in on August 1st.
Delaying a deadline on one set of tariff negotiations while opening another front in his multi-pronged trade war.
Today we're doing copper. I believe the tariff on copper, we're going to make it 50%.
Donald Trump slapping the same 50% tariff on copper that currently applies to steel and aluminium. Australia will be hit, but not hard. Copper exports to the US worth around $55 million. But the next sector in the firing line could hurt.
With pharmaceuticals and semiconductors, those studies are being completed at the end of the month, and so the president will then set his policies then.
The president's not waiting, telling medicines companies to move manufacturing to America or...
They're going to be tariffed at a very, very high rate, like 200%.
The US market is really important to pharmaceutical manufacturers because it is the largest market in the world.
About 40% of Australia's pharmaceutical exports are sent to the US, a trade worth more than $2 billion a year. The biggest player, Melbourne-based CSL, which also has extensive operations across America.
We are still seeking more information about the application of these proposed tariffs.
But the Treasurer insists the pharmaceutical benefit scheme, much maligned by US drug makers, won't be traded away.
Our assurance to the Australian people is that PBS is not for negotiation, it's not for sale.
Unless our Prime Minister himself is prepared to sit face to face and negotiate with the President of the United States, then we're always going to be negotiating with one arm tied behind our back.
It's not clear that a face-to-face meeting would make much difference to Australia's prospects, with an administration hell-bent on reshaping the rules in its favour. But until the Prime Minister can secure that first formal sit-down with the President, he'll be exposed to accusations that he hasn't done everything he can. Jane Norman, ABC News, Canberra.